Let me try this on the. Oh my goodness! Okay, wait, hold on. Okay. Wait, the deep one sounds kind of cool. That sounds kind of cool, doesn't it? Wait, so there's a pitch bend. Damn, I didn't know it was Spook November. Oh, there is a transpose. Oops. Sorry, my bad. Okay, there actually is a transpose. I did not have to use the pitch bend. Okay. Oh my goodness! Wait a second. Okay, wait, I'm gonna try this. Just quickly. I've been stargazing for interstellar clouds. Heaven, give me the chance to make a dream come true. Cloud nine galaxy divine, soaring past the moon and our demise. Searching for a sign with hope card into your design. Draw a card.